Welcome to Pretoria. Located in the heart of South Africa, Pretoria is one of the country's 3 capital cities, acting as the administrative hub. Situated just north of Johannesburg in Gauteng province, the city is celebrated for its picturesque tree-lined streets and rich historical character. Known as the Jacaranda City, Pretoria is celebrated for the thousands of jacaranda trees that bloom each spring, adding vibrant color to a city rich in history and culture. From its pivotal role in the Boer War to its former status as the capital of the South African Republic, Pretoria boasts a captivating and profound legacy. Let's look at 5 must-visit spots in this remarkable city. 5. Church Square. Church Square is the historic centre of Pretoria, established in 1855 by Martinus Wessel Pretorius. Originally a marketplace and gathering place for settlers of the South African Republic, it got its name from a church that once stood in the middle. The square quickly became the city's social, political and religious hub. Over time, Church Square witnessed many important events, including tensions before the Second Boer War and political gatherings during the apartheid era. Historic buildings around the square include the Palace of Justice, site of the Rivonia trial, and the O Rod Sol, former parliament of the Transvaal Republic. At the centre stands the statue of President Paul Kruger, a key figure in Pretoria's history. Church Square stands as a historic landmark, embodying the layers of Pretoria's past. The buildings and monuments reflect the city's evolution through colonial, Boer and modern South African eras. Four. Freedom Park. Freedom Park is a National Heritage Site on Salvakorp Hill in Pretoria. It was established in 2000 after the end of apartheid to promote unity, reconciliation and nation building. The park honours those who lost their lives in South Africa's wars, conflicts and liberation struggle. It was created as a place where all South Africans can remember the past and reflect on the country's journey to freedom. The park presents the history of South Africa from ancient times to the democratic era. It recognizes different cultures, communities, and historical experiences to create a more inclusive national story. The Wall of Names commemorates people who died in various conflicts, symbolizing remembrance and healing. The Harpo Museum uses interactive displays, visuals and storytelling to explain the country's political, social and cultural development. Freedom Park is a large outdoor site with memorial spaces, gardens and walking paths designed for quiet reflection. Isivivane is a sacred spiritual resting place for those who played a role in the liberation of South Africa. Built with stones from all 9 provinces, representing unity and shared heritage. The Skhumbuto Memorial Complex and its contemplative pathways invite reflection, and the hilltop location provides sweeping panoramic views over Pretoria. Three. Pretoria Zoo. Officially known as the National Zoological Garden of South Africa, the Pretoria Zoo spans an impressive 80 hectares and is one of the largest zoos in the world. Founded in 1899 by J.W.B. Gunning, it holds the distinction of being South Africa's national zoo. Recognized as one of the 8 largest zoos in the world, the Pretoria Zoo is also considered one of the most highly rated, known for its expansive animal collection, cutting-edge conservation efforts and naturalistic enclosures. It attracts visitors from across the globe, offering a wide variety of animal exhibits and educational programs focused on wildlife protection and sustainability. A true symbol of South Africa's commitment to conservation, the Pretoria Zoo continues to play a vital role in global wildlife research and conservation efforts, making it a must-visit destination for animal lovers and nature enthusiasts. Voortrekker Monument. The Voortrekker Monument was built to honor the Voortrekkers, Afrikaners who migrated from the Cape Colony during the Great Trek in the 19th century. They sought freedom from British rule and faced many challenges, including conflict with indigenous groups and harsh conditions. A key event during this time was the Battle of Blood River in 1838, where the Voortrekkers defeated a much larger Zulu force, a victory they believed was divinely inspired. Construction of the monument began in 1937 to mark the centenary of the Battle of Blood River. The monument was designed by architect Gerard Moordijk and was officially unveiled on December 16, 1949, coinciding with the Day of the Vow, a significant Afrikaner holiday. It stands in Pretoria as a symbol of Afrikaner pride and history. The Voortrekker Monument is a large granite structure with a cenotaph at its center, honoring those who died during the Great Trek. It is surrounded by 12 pillars, representing key Voortrekker leaders, and contains a hall of heroes with murals and sculptures. After apartheid, the monument's significance became more controversial, and December 16th is now observed as the Day of Reconciliation, promoting national unity. Union Buildings. High on Main Cheescorp Hill in Pretoria stand the Union Buildings, one of South Africa's most important landmarks. Completed in 1913 and designed by Sir Herbert Baker, these sandstone buildings with twin dome towers were built as the government seat of the newly formed Union of South Africa. Their grand design reflects the union of formerly separate regions. In 1910, the Boer republics merged with the Cape and Natal colonies to create the Union of South Africa. Nestled among stunning terrace gardens, the site features statues of notable leaders, including an imposing statue of Nelson Mandela. On May 10, 1994, Mandela was inaugurated here as South Africa's first democratically elected president, ushering in a new era of democracy. Today, the Union Buildings serve as the official seat of the President and remain a powerful symbol of unity, democracy, and South Africa's journey through history.